Hi everyone, Scott Hinson here. I thought I would do a unboxing video. I have heard that these are popular. I don't know why, but apparently they're unpopular. So I got something cool, and I thought I'd share unboxing it with you. So here we go. Let's see how this goes. All right. Okay. Alrighty. Well, first thing I'm going to do is cut the strap on the top. Okay, yeah. Oh man, there's some straps. We got 4 straps. All right, yeah, there we go. All right. Tape is sticky. Ooh, yeah, that didn't sound good. Oh, yeah. Oh, we're still okay though. Hold on. All right. Box. Get the top of the box open. Yeah. Top. Whoops. The strap is still here. Let me get that. Oh. Okay. All right. Think we got it? No, we still got to get the tape on the top. I thought I got that. Apparently not. There we go. Okay. Oh, wow. Look at that. That's pretty cool. Yep. Okay. We gotta take those out. Oh, it's wrapped in a plastic bag. Okay. Alright. Oh, yep, I got it. Oh, I think I got it out. Yep. Ooh. Okay. Alright. Okay. Ooh. All right. Yeah. That's okay. We're having problems here. I'm trying to fit this in the frame. All right. Yeah. Okay. I think I'm ready to make some noise now. Yep. Yeah. Normally I would let the commercial folks show off the new stuff, but this was just way too cool. All right, everyone, have a good weekend.